Fall season is upon us, and with winter arriving anytime soon, whether you have a home or planning to buy one, you must know these simple things. I love fall. I love fall season for two reasons. First, there are less people, crowd starts disappearing from your favorite tourist spots, and prices really become low. And secondly, you see the spectacular view of the fall season when trees changing colors, it really brings peace and joy to your mind. There's one thing I hate about fall, and it's when these leaves start falling and they litter your backyard. Not only backyard, they litter your front yard, garden, and most importantly, your gutters and eat-throughs. Now, believe it or not, according to experts, you should not throw away these leaves. They act as a natural fertilizer and compost for your grass, flowers, and plants. So if you just have one or few trees, don't get bothered. Let the Mother Nature do its work. Slowly with time, these leaves are going to shrink, mix it in the soil, and disappear for good.